Hello everyone, I'm Pumpkii, and I often stay at home alone. My owner loves me. She works hard every day. I can only see her twice a day, I guess, morning and night, and that's exactly why I need to find myself another companion that could take good care of me. So with years of research and development, I developed Pumpkii. Pumpkii works great as a servant, and he is never just a robot. I also implement a modular design with on-demand configurations.
What exactly do we need from a servant? He has to be wherever we want him to be at all times on all occasions. So we equipped Pumpkii with a remote control function, which not only can move in all directions, but also has a unique tire design that allows him to move freely between carpet floors. Also, we actually want to be able to talk to our owner at any time. Therefore, we implemented a remote communication system inside Pumpkii. It not only lets us talk to the owner, but also with the 1080p high-resolution camera, we allow the owner to see our graceful body figure no matter day and night. We also added a snack box that can hold 11 snacks. We left a spot for our favorite toy, of course. Remember the modular design we talked about? Check it out! After we place a robotic arm on it, Pumpkii is able to help clean our bathroom right away. Good job.
Hey guys, I'm John. I also love snacks. But sometimes the 11 snack load is far less than my appetite. With our module design, this won't be a problem anymore. Simply install our Treat Pod module on Pumpkii and your snack load instantly increases to 100 snacks. And my personal favorite is that I can play games with my master using Treat Pod. So you see, with our module design, Pumpkii could help you implement tons of functions as long as you need. Now, back to our CEO.
Wait, I'm not finished. You go petting your work. I only need Pumpkii.
Well, let our CEO enjoy his petting time. Again, we developed Pumpkii to help create happiness and bring healthy living surroundings to both us and our owners. Back us today and let your little sweetheart meet Pumpkii sooner.